welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today's video is a follow-up to one I did about 18 months ago where I talked about why I bought a Cricut maker. You didn't see that video, you can check it out in the top right hand corner. It's one of our most popular videos, and I don't know about you, but I like watching follow-ups when people kind of say, okay, I bought this product a while back, did I really enjoy it, was it worth buying, you know, all of those kind of interesting things. So I invested in the Cricut Maker. It is an expensive product, and I've done lots of reviews since. So I compared the Cricut Maker to the Silhouette, to the Scan and Cut, all of those kind of things that are out there. If you want to see that review, again, you can check the top right hand corner. But what I wanted to do was say, okay, I invested in it. I bought all these materials. You can see here I have a big box of Cricut materials. This isn't the only one I have. I have the pens. I just bought the Infusible Ink. Again, top right hand corner if you want to see about Infusible Ink. But what's the Cricut Maker all about? Now, I did just do a video on getting started with the Cricut Maker, making your first cut, getting it connected to your iPad. So if you're interested in purchasing a Cricut Maker, at the end of this video, we will link up at the end the getting started and making your first cut. So the Cricut Maker really will cut anything. You can cut wood with it, you can cut leather, you can cut vinyl, you can cut HTV, you can use this really cool infusible ink in it. It will cut fabric. It has a rotary blade option. It has the deep point knife blade. The only caveat I'll make on the deep point knife is that you have to use a PC. You can't use your tablet with it. Have I had my money's worth out of the Cricut over this time? Absolutely. I have used this so much. I use it all the time. A good few times a month, I make vinyl signs. I make decorations for the hollow. I make things around the house. I make stuff for the girls. I make things for school. I make videos with it. I use my maker all the time. Now, yes, I still use my Scan and Cut, absolutely, because it's great for scanning and cutting out my stamps. But if I was going to cut out vinyl, or if I was going to make a sign, if I was going to make some home decor, any of those things, I would go to my Cricut Maker first. And the reason for that is because the app is so intuitive to use. I love the app. There's so many things in the Cricut Access. I pay $9.99 a month or something like that. It gives me 10% off the Cricut store, but it also still allows me to use my coupons. And I've got access to over 40,000 images, fonts, projects that I can do. So many different things in there. The app is super simple. It's all wireless and it works every single time. I never have an issue connecting up my maker. It's got some really great features in the app. The Cricut help is awesome. You've seen me use the EasyPress heat guide numerous times. I find that's really easy and helpful to use as well. So overall, having used all the different machines, and I had the opportunity to be exclusive with some of the other machines, and I said no. I said, honestly, I couldn't, to my viewers, say, I only use these other machines because in reality, in my craft room, I use my Cricut. And I love my Cricut. It's something we use all the time. We grab it for different things. You see it sits on the shelf behind me all the time because we really do love it here at the Hollow. So if you're thinking about buying a Cricut Maker or maybe the Explore Air 1, and I have just bought one. I'm going to do an unboxing and getting started with it. I think the Cricut software is great. The Cricut customer service, when I've needed it occasionally, has been awesome too. The variety of materials they have is great, and we are going to do a kind of materials demystified. I'm also going to talk about the different EasyPress sizes in another video. So we are going to be doing a bit of a Cricut series on different products available and everything from Cricut I have bought. So Cricut haven't sent me anything to share with you. Everything Cricut I have purchased, so I've used it, I've bought it, and I've invested in it, so we can share it with you. And as always, links will be in the video description, and we do really appreciate when you use those too, and we'll add any relevant coupon codes we can find for you for the Cricut store. But it is really worth investing in that Cricut Access too, because not only does it give you tons and tons of access to projects and fonts and images and things that you can cut, but it gives you that discount at the store, and they always have their free shipping coupon. And if you sign up to the Hedgehog Hollow newsletter on a Friday, we always add the free Cut Friday links in there for you. We add the latest free shipping codes in there, and of course we add all of our latest other coupons and whatnot in there too. And if you're part of the Hedgehog Hollow community, you can save even more on your crafty purchases. So In kind of a wrap up, I'm really glad I invested. I did buy it on a Black Friday deal if you go back and look at it. The price has come down a bit since I invested in mine because it was brand new when it came out. I have all the different blades. I've tried out lots of different things. But if you ever want to see a tutorial, whether it's a Cricut based tutorial, we have tutorials on how to use the snap mat. We have a whole playlist on different Cricut things. You can check all of those out. But if you have any questions, if you have any requests, do let me know. You can always put them in the comments. You can send us an email to support@thehedgehoghollow.com. But for me, I have definitely had my money's worth. I love all the different features. I love the wireless functionality. I love the features in the Cricut app. I find them really easy to use. As I say, the Cricut access to me works out much better than having to buy things individually. I find that very rarely do I actually have to purchase anything in the Cricut app. The mats last way longer than any of the other mats out there. I've had a silhouette, I have a scan and cut, and the Cricut mats last the longest. I love the rotary blade for cutting out my fabric. The Infusible Ink is absolutely awesome. And the variety of materials, plus it will cut non-Cricut materials too. And just being able to click that materials button and type in whatever I want it to cut, for me works great. Yes, I know there are auto blade features out there and they're great, but just being able to say, this is what I have and this is what I want to cut, I find that works really well too. So they were my reasons for investing. I definitely have had my money's worth out of it. I haven't had any significant issues either. I mean, occasionally I might have something where I need to update the app, or, you know, if there's a new iOS that comes out, there might be a bug, but I have to say that Cricut fixed those pretty quickly. Occasionally I might have to restart the app, but they really are infrequent issues. And there's nothing that I can say that has been a huge bugbear for me. I mean, with some of the other machines, I do say like, this doesn't work, or I've had to wait for this update, or those kinds of things. But with the Cricut, I do not have anything that is like thorn in my side that I'm like, oh, I really wish they would fix this. If it had a scanning capability, I would not need another machine in my craft room. So that's kind of how I feel about the Cricut. I love my machine. As I say, I've just invested in a second one to be able to review the Explorer and kind of the differences between that and the Maker, but overall, I absolutely love it. So I hope that's useful to any of you who are thinking about investing in a Cricut Maker or in the Cricut family. If you have any questions, get in touch with us. We're always happy to answer them for you. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. As I say, check out our Cricut playlist, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of our daily tips, tricks, tutorials, or maybe something a little bit different. And hit that join button to be part of the Hedgehog Hollow community. We'd love to have you, and we have so much fun too. And you never know, you might be getting a birthday card, one made in one of our videos too, as part of our Hedgehog Hollow community. Also, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any requests, you can leave them in the comments below. And if you have a Cricut Maker, or maybe you have a different one that you prefer, let us know in the comments below which one you have. Maybe you have a preference and why. We'd love to hear about that, so you can leave us a comment below. And I will see you again tomorrow in another video. In the meantime, happy crafting and have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.